My name is Gasediel. I am a painter based in London. I am from France. After 10 years in a building company, I did a peintre en décor course in Versailles and decided to dedicate my life to painting. Since that, I have worked in France, Brazil, UK, and I want to capture the turning point when an old used street wall becomes an aesthetic poetic pictures of our humanity. I use layer of concrete to revive the essence of this urban substance. To be shortlisted is a gorgeous honor for me, and it means that in a certain way, my search is going to be recognized.
芸術家の山地直樹です。今は、主に絵画作品を制作してます。アムステラムで活動してます。他に類を見ない、見る人に新しい経験を与えられる作品を作ること、常に自分のアイデンティティをすごく、大切にして作品を作っていて、で自分日本の美と西洋の美を組み合わせることでどうにかその表現ができないかっていつも考えてます。でそれは日本で生まれた自分が海外に初めて来た時に経験したような感覚を与えることで、伝統を守ることとその破壊に大きくそうですね関係があるんじゃないかと思ってそこに基づいて作品制作をしてます。
My name's Donal Sturt. I am an artist and painter with a particular interest in collaborating with and taking inspiration from groups outside the traditional fine art educational realm. In addition to my studio practice, I do a lot of in-depth research into children's art, hold workshops where I facilitate children to draw freely without adult interference. And it's these drawings as well as my own childhood drawings that I've been using as a primary inspiration for most of my recent works. Certain things captured my imagination as a child, making artwork to kind of try and access those feelings of excitement as an adult, hopefully portray that somehow to the viewer. Child art I see as being a leveller, and it's one thing that children are a lot better at than adults.
My name is Shannon Alonzo. I'm an interdisciplinary artist based in Trinidad and Tobago. I see all my work as a form of drawing, whether it be with pencil or stitching into fabric. It's just a way of making tangible the thought process behind any particular subject that I'm investigating. I definitely think that my background in fashion design has a huge influence on the work that I produce now, in that so much of it is textile based. Fabric is such an incredibly versatile medium, and I think there's something quite interesting in the connection that fabric has to the body and this idea of it being a second skin that we inhabit. Because so much of my work recently is centered around the character of the natural world, I wanted to try and bring that into my work in a very tangible way. So I've been using eco-printing to infuse plant matter into fabric, which I can then work into, stitch into, etc. And eventually hope to use in some installations outdoors around Trinidad.
My name is Marit, Geraldine Bostad, and I am an abstract expressionist painter living and working in Horten, Vestfold County, Norway. Nature is entangled in my memories and subconscious, and I'm surrounded by the natural world at my studio, which is in a disused naval base. As my practice has evolved, I've tried to let go of approaching painting with a given idea or theme imposed onto whatever I'm creating, instead of pushing myself to create from the subconscious. I focus on creating for creation's sake, and let the work reflect whatever is lying dormant with me, ultimately revealing themes or inspirations during my artistic process. My inspirations, therefore, are often unknown to me when I begin painting, as creating from the subconscious plane is integral to my artistic practice.